Woo, hingal. So we are now halfway, the same level with the other side, the right side. Now we are in the left side. And thank you to these angels that we have right now. We are...
冇。佢嘔天外，
係啊係啊係啊係啊！
佢專登嘔天外，冇俾第二個揸手嘛。係。等先。係啊。So, 等先 and then Kenjo ngo.
While nag-wait kami, mag-video ako, we are here halfway again. The falls is there. Some people go there without the water, but we are here with the water in its wall of this rock, because the typhoon just passed, and it was super heavy rain past weeks ago, so the mountains are still wet, and there are so many streams, there are so many water, and in that area where I climbed, there was water on my foot. It is a little slippery. Here, the soil here is wet. I can feel the wetness of the soil here, but it's okay because there are strong grip of the roots of the big tree. The other side, there's no tree. You can only hold the leash or the rope. I always call the rope as a leash, because I used to walk dogs, and I call that no, hindi daw tayo magsabay kay ugnay mahulog maagian ni, yun ang advice. Pag sure ba. Kaya nga paunahon mo na mo kay arong hay pina. Niko? Haniko?
Dito.
Pangya, be careful. Susama Niko.
Okay.
Mo Niko. So you have to step on this, the root, the main puno of the tree. Lagi no saka man ni. Pangya Niko dead. Hi Niko.
Low.
Haya mo.
Halida ho.
Hama happen.
Yeah.
Aya. Oh. My God. My God. I hold the dead tree. I told him not to hold the dead tree because I'm lighter than him and he's heavier. The other guy hold the big tree and it collapses because it's dead. That's why two of us here in the last batch, we decided to let them go up first. So whatever happens when the rock goes down, it won't hit to our face or